Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Legit Mom Life. I'm so excited to be sharing with y'all a women's holiday gift guide featuring items $100 or less. And what I'm most excited though about today's video is that it's in collaboration with Lisa J here on YouTube. I'm so excited. I love Lisa so much. She's a dear sweet friend of mine here in Austin, and we have known each other for about over 10 years at this point. I did her lashes for years. We repped a skincare line together. So anyway, she just has a true heart of gold. And here on YouTube, she shares educational beauty tutorials from her experience as a Mac trained artist. So she has so many good videos, so definitely go check those out. Plus, she is also the founder of BK Beauty. So again, I'm so excited. So after you watch this video, definitely go watch hers next. I will link it down below. If you're coming from Lisa's video, then hello, welcome. My name is Taryn, and here at Legit Mom Life, I post new videos every single week. I'm also a licensed cosmetologist, so I love to bring beauty tutorials as well, but I really hope that you will subscribe, stick around, and check out my other videos. Today, I'm actually filming from our bedroom because I recently decorated for Christmas, and I did actually upload a Christmas decorate with me video and a Christmas shop with me video. So if you're interested, check those out. I'll link them down below as well. But today we're going to be focusing on items that are about $100 or less for women. I have so many good ideas, and in fact, I got a little overwhelmed and carried away. So I'm going to be linking many more gift ideas to keep this video short on my Like to Know It. So I'll link that down below, as well as everything that you'll see in this video today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's get started with the beauty category. I think beauty products are always such a great go-to gift idea, especially in 2020 when most of us have not gone to the salon or a spa nearly as often as we would like to. I also want to mention that Sephora does have a current promotion going on through December the 9th. So if you hurry, you can use this code and get $20 off your purchase of $75 or more by using code 2020SAVE. The first item I want to share with y'all is the Dr. Brandt Magnetite Age Defier Magnetic Mask. This is going to be a gift that definitely has that wow factor because it's so unique and unlike, other masks on the market. So if you have not used this one, I highly recommend it for even yourself. But they have a small size that's $24. The larger one is $75. I did film a YouTube video on this, and I can see a difference in my skin every single time I use it. You apply it with a spatula, and when you remove it with the magnet, it leaves behind a serum that you rub into your skin, and it just feels so luxurious and great on your skin. So I absolutely love this one. Dr. Brandt also has a really good oxygen facial. So if you know a woman that has not been to a spa in a while and is overdue, this would be another great option that you can get a similar experience to a true oxygen facial in a salon. I tried this out in Sephora, and the difference on my hand was amazing. So it'll just really give your skin a nice dewy glow, which everyone needs during these winter months. The oxygen facial does retail for $70. Up next, I want to share with y'all the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This one I've been using for years, and I absolutely love it, especially in the cooler months. My lips get chapped and dry, so I like to apply this one every night before bed, and I also apply it under my lip color as well, and it definitely helps to moisturize and to heal, dry, chapped lips. This one retails for $22, so it'd even be a good stocking stuffer too. This next one is another must-have item for me. I have become obsessed with this cream. It's the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. The scent of it, first of all, is just downright amazing, but it feels so nice on your skin and luxurious, and it does absorb really well. It does not leave behind a greasy residue at all, and it's going to be great for any woman in your life. It does also have a really, really faint shimmer to it that you can really only see in the light or if you're outside, but it adds a little bit of a glow. But this stuff is truly amazing, and it's hands down my favorite body cream. And it does come in a couple of different sizes. So the small size is just $20, or they do have a larger size for $45. Okay, the next item on my list is definitely going to be a great spa night at home type of luxurious gift. And it's also perfect for anyone that's maybe been feeling extra stressed out due to 2020 like myself, which is why I purchased this Soul Spring Stress-Free Bath Soak a while back. They're just Epsom salts, and it just, helps me relax at the end of a hard day. I also do have their It came with the Soul Spring Intensive Body Cream as well. So I have tension in my shoulders. I rub this on and it helps so much, you guys. It also came with a bar of soap as well. I haven't used that one yet. But the salts itself are $25. They also have gift sets for around $39. And then they also have a muscle relief spray. So if you know someone who has, you know, back pain or, you know, anything like that, this is going to be, again, a luxurious item because it is $50, but it's a muscle relief spray that'll help with pain as well. Okay, the next item actually Lisa turned me on to, and it's by Colleen Rothschild, and this is the Intense Hydrating Mask. I get very, very dry skin in the winter months especially, and I was trying so many different products to help with my dryness, and literally, I'm not kidding you guys, this is the only product that has helped that. And I mean, it's overnight. This product is incredible. It smells amazing, and it's actually like a gel serum. I'll show you guys. It's super lightweight. So it really does feel like a spa treatment every time I put this on my face. So you can put this on in place of your moisturizer, or you can towel it off when you're done after about 15 minutes, but I leave mine on overnight and my skin, it's just like a drink of water for my skin, to be honest. I cannot recommend this one enough. So hands down, this is another favorite, and this one's only $45. I don't know if you can tell, but I just rubbed it in on this hand and you can see the difference. Oh, but the smell is just so clean and fresh. I love it. So when I purchased that Intense Hydrating Mask by Colleen Rothschild, there was also the Quench and Shine Restorative Hair Mask. And I know Lisa also uses that, but they were out of stock when I purchased mine. So that is on my list, and I think would also be a great addition to, you know, a gift idea for any woman. And that hair mask is $32. Okay, I couldn't get through this gift guide without sharing the BK Beauty palette because it did just launch and I absolutely love mine. I'll show you the colors here, but these colors are all so gorgeous and they look like they might be really pigmented, but I'm telling you, all of these shadows are so wearable. They're buildable, so they don't go on super heavy at first, but these are perfect for any woman, all skin tones. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors here on this one, and this retails for $45. BK Beauty does also have amazing brushes. Honestly, the best I've ever used. They're also cruelty-free. This is my collection here. I have these eye brushes that came as a set and then this foundation brush. And this one helps to apply your makeup flawlessly. Does not leave streaks on your skin. I mean, such good high quality brushes. So I'll link those down below too. If you're looking for a good new perfume that would also make a great gift, I love this one by Ellis, and it's the Myth perfume. This is the travel size here, but it's really light, clean, small hint of floral, but I think it's just good for anyone in general. So that's also a good, even a stocking stuffer idea. So since we're women, we're always doing all the things, I thought some eye gels would be a great gift idea. I did find some by Patchology on Nordstrom that are Christmas themed, super cute packaging that were $18. So that would be a great gift idea to, you know, create that little spa experience at home. While looking around on Nordstrom's site, I did also see that the makeup eraser, if you already use those to remove your makeup, they have a 7-day set for only $25, and it's really cute packaging, so I think that would also make a great beauty gift as well. Okay, I have a couple of hair tools that I want to share with y'all, and this is the Amika Deep Waver. I love this tool so much. It's what I use to style my hair today, but I think, you know, it's great for anyone who's into beauty and hair to just change up your look. I think it's really fun and different, so I really love that one, and I think it's around $100. Might be a little bit over. Then I also have the Revlon One Step Styler. This is a great affordable gift for just about anybody. I think it's definitely great for someone who has coarse, thick hair. If you have a little bit more fine hair, just be careful. Use it on the low setting. Definitely use a heat protectant because you want to just be careful that it's not drying your hair out, but it's definitely a good item that any woman would get a lot of use out of. Okay, let's move on to the clothing category. I think that lounge sets are so perfect for 2020 since we've all been home more often, and it's kind of just like a nice gift to receive. So I saw this one by Honeydew Intimates. I love that brand. The material is so soft and comfortable. This one is actually on sale for just $40. So that's definitely a great value. If you don't already own a pair of Spanx, then you need to either treat yourself or treat someone else because they are so good. They truly suck you all in the midsection, and these faux leather leggings by Spanx, I think will elevate any outfit, but yet still feel, you know, comfortable even if you're at home. And these retail for $98, but I'm telling you, they're so worth it, and I think would make such a great gift. Okay, if you've never felt an item by the brand Barefoot Dreams, it is the ultimate luxury. They have cardigans, blankets, robes, robes, but it's so soft and just feels like butter on your skin. So I had to include the Barefoot Dreams robe, which does retail for $99, but I think would make an excellent luxurious gift. If you want to be a little more budget friendly, I found an amazing dupe for this though at Target for only $30, a very, very similar robe, same kind of material at Target for only $30. So definitely a more budget friendly option, yet still a great gift. Scrolling around on Nordstrom, I did also find this Nordstrom Moonlight PJ short set for $49. They do also have a pant set version for $65. I think pajamas are always just a nice gift that, you know, I don't always purchase myself, but it would be nice to receive. Then I also saw another one by Honeydew Intimates, and this PJ set is $48. I did also purchase this leopard pajama set, which is more affordable, I think around $30, but it's still super cute and on trend for the season. While scrolling around on the Nordstrom website, I came across these Skims lounge pants, and the material looks very close to the Barefoot Dreams, so I think it'll be very soft and luxurious. And honestly, since this whole pandemic, my husband and I have been doing a lot of date nights, you know, at home. So I think a cute lounge set would be great to wear for something like that, you know, just at home, but to still be comfortable. So these lounge pants retail for $78. They do also have a short set for $58, and then the little tank top that matches with it is $58. This next item I actually own, and it's the Treasure and Bond sweatshirt, but it's in the print tie-dye. They do have different color versions of this, but I just thought this was so pretty and fun to carry over that tie-dye trend from summer into the winter months. And it does have a longer length, so it does kind of cover the bottom a little bit, and I think it would make a great gift idea. It also does come with a matching sweat pant that you can purchase separately, but this one retails for $59. But again, I think it'd just be like a fun wow factor, you know, kind of a gift that would definitely get a lot of use. Next up, I have the Zella Live-In high waist leggings. I love these leggings so much. I have these in a couple pairs. This is the color gray. I have them in black as well. But these are $59. And honestly, I plan to wear leggings so much during this, you know, winter season, being home a lot more. And these are so comfortable and kind of like the Spanx. They really kind of suck you all in the midsection. So I really love these too. Okay, so for the last clothing item I have on my list here is a nice puffer jacket. I came across this cream North Face jacket. I think that's a great gift for any woman. I think it's a great gift that I would like to receive myself. I don't normally purchase, you know, luxurious coats for myself, so I think that would be definitely a great, you know, nice gift to receive that will also get a lot of use. I just love this cream color, and this one retails for $99. Okay, let's move on to footwear. And the first item I want to share with y'all, I'm so excited that I got these. These are the Sorel wedge booties. They do have a nice thick sole. These are also waterproof, weatherproof. You know, you can wear them in the snow, wherever you're at. And they're also super comfortable. I like that they have a small little wedge, so it gives you, you know, a little bit of an elevated, nice look that you can wear for a date night out, an evening out, or just for every day, because they're honestly that comfortable. So these right now are on sale on the Nordstrom website, I think for $119. They're like 40% off, so that's an amazing deal. Okay, these sandals may not be the most fashionable looking sandals, but let me tell you, this is a great practical gift idea that may just save somebody's feet, because after being home so much during this pandemic, I've had a lot of foot pain walking on our hard tile floors here at home, you know, barefoot all day, and these have saved my feet. My friend told me about these, and they literally feel like walking on clouds. So if you know someone, you know, that wants a good pair of house shoes to wear at home to save their feet from those hard tile floors, this makes a great gift idea, or even just, you know, to be comfortable outside of the home as well. But these range in price from $30 to $60. I think they're like the Ooh La La ones that have a thicker arch support and the thicker sole, and these are $59. So these have literally saved my feet. So it's definitely a great gift idea for just about anybody. Okay, the next house shoes I want to share with y'all are actually on my feet right now, so let me take them off, but they're the Birkenstock with the authentic shearling interior. These feel so cozy and amazing. I love these so much. So now that it's getting a little bit colder, I like to wear these, you know, to keep my feet warm. These make such an amazing, luxurious gift, and these do retail for about $150, so it's a little bit over $100, but so worth it. I literally am obsessed with these. They are just gorgeous, and they do come in other colors as well. So I think these, you know, if you have anybody in your life that loves Birkenstocks, I can almost guarantee you they will love these too. Also, there are other versions of this shoe. So if you're not crazy about this style, there are other versions too. Also, there's the UGG suede slippers. Those are another great luxurious gift. Those are $89. They do also have the UGG Fluffette slippers, which look really cute as well for the same price point. Definitely, I think, everyone can use some good house shoes, especially being home more often this year. Another good footwear gift idea are cozy socks. These are actually by the brand Mucklucks, and I actually received these in my FabFitFun box. I think they're around $30 though, and these have a shearling interior, so they're super cozy. I have also seen some by the brand Uggs, so I can link those down below as well. I think the Ugg brands though were like $49, and then these are about $30. So definitely some good price ranges for cozy socks and a great gift idea for any woman. Since I have been having a lot of foot pain, I picked up some new running shoes, and I think that would also make a great gift for anyone who loves to go on runs. Beginning of the year, everyone's trying to focus on their fitness after all the holiday indulging. These shoes are the most comfortable running shoes I've ever worn. I actually had the Ultra Boost as well, but these have such great arch support, which I desperately needed. So anyway, those are definitely a great gift, and these retail for about $150. Okay, moving on to accessories. The first thing I want to share with y'all are these stacking rings by Lisa Leonard. My husband actually gave these to me a while back, and I treasure them so much. They have each of our kids' names on them, and they kind of fit together like a puzzle piece. So I think this is an excellent gift idea for any woman in your life, or even for you to ask to receive for yourself, especially if you're a mom. I love having my kids' names on there. That's just very sentimental and personal. So again, I think would make a great gift idea for any woman in your life. Personalized jewelry is always a great gift to give someone, or even to ask for yourself. So I saw these Kendra Scott birthstone necklaces, and I thought they were so gorgeous, first of all. So you can gift it to someone, in their birthstone. Or another idea, maybe if you want to ask to receive these in your own birthstone, or you could even layer them with all of your kids' birthstones, your partner's birthstone. There's so many different options, but it's just a gorgeous necklace, and it retails for $50. If you're shopping for someone who has an Apple Watch, I think a new watch band would make a great gift, and something that I would even like to receive myself, because I always just end up wearing the same watch band that my Apple Watch came with. I just never think about it. So I think a Tory Burch watch band would be an excellent idea. There's also other brands that I can link below as well, but this one is just classic and simple and will go, great for everyday wear, and it retails for $95. Next on my list are the Little Words bracelets. These are so cute. They come in so many different phrases and colors, and would definitely be great to personalize, for someone. They're only $20 each, so you can gift one by itself or make like a cute little bracelet stack and grab a couple of them. I also did see the Kendra Scott stretch bracelet is so cute and would go great with those bracelets or any other bracelet that any, woman owns already, and they're only $30. A good basic tote bag is something that I always am in need of, and I actually own a smaller version of this one. It's the Madewell tote bag. Right now at Nordstrom, it is on sale for $124. So I do already have the smaller version, but I feel like the larger version would just be nice to carry, even more accessories in. It's just a good classic that I think any woman, would appreciate. Next on my list are planners. We're coming into the new year, so I thought it would be a great gift for any busy woman in your life. The Erin Condren planners are so cute. You can actually personalize them on her website. You can add a name on the front. There's so many different colors and prints you can choose from, and formats as well. So those retail for $55. If you're looking for more of an affordable option, I actually purchased one from the Happy Planner, and those only retail for about $30, but they also come in a wide variety of colors and prints and formats as well. Moving into the home category. This one is over $100, but I had to share it with you guys because it's kind of been life-changing for me, and I appreciate having it so much, and it's a robot vacuum. If you don't have one of these, especially if you're a mom, there's constantly crumbs all over my floor. So I appreciate having that so much and would love to receive that as a gift if I did not have one. They are currently on sale at some retailers for about $200 to $300. I have like a very basic one, and it was under $200. So there's definitely some affordable options out there for that, but definitely a great way to help a busy mom out would be, to gift her a robo vacuum. Silk pillowcases also make a great gift. It's something that you may not think to purchase yourself, but that you might like to receive. It has skincare benefits and hair benefits as well. It'll help reduce frizz on your hair, help maintain your hairstyle while you sleep, and it also helps retain moisture levels in your skin. So this one by Slip is $89, so it's definitely more of a luxury item. I do have a more affordable option by Kitsch, and this is actually a pillowcase case set. So it comes with an eye mask and a scrunchie, I believe, as well, for only $36. So I think that makes an amazing gift for any woman too. The next item I have on my home list is this tassel blanket. I think it's so cute. It comes in so many different colors and it's so soft and cozy. I love just having this on the couch to cozy up with, and this one retails for $39. However, if you're looking for more of a luxury item, this one's over $100, but I know so many people love Barefoot Dreams that I wanted to just quickly mention it. It's the Barefoot Dreams blanket, and that one retails for $147. I don't know if you already have a Yeti cup, but this is literally all I use every single day to drink my water out of. So I think this would also make a great gift idea. They also have a brand new color that just launched. I think it's called Ice Pink. It's a really beautiful soft pink. And I love getting the straw lid attachment. That's what I use daily. So that would make a great gift idea. There's also a new mug by Yeti that I would love to personally receive. And I think it's the perfect size to drink your coffee out of so that it stays warm and also will fit in your car cup holders. I think that's a big plus to it. But honestly, these keep my drinks cold or hot for like hours and hours. They really are worth it. So I think that'd be a great gift idea for any woman too. Okay, the last category I want to mention are services. So one subscription service that I definitely hands down think is worth it as a gift for yourself or anyone else is a FabFitFun box. I have been subscribed to them for several months now, and it's just always such a nice treat to receive one. And they have categories from fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. So there's so many different items you can choose from in each and every box, but it also makes a perfect gift idea for someone. You can actually use code LEGIT10 to get that first box for just $39.99. So another great affordable option as a gift idea. Another service that would make a great gift idea for any woman in your life would be to pay for a one-time cleaning service to come clean her home. I think that would be fabulous. I would love to receive that, or even maybe a gift card for a mani, a pedi, a massage. All of those good things are always good go-tos. I hope this video gave you some good ideas. I will be linking so many more gift ideas over on my Like to Know It. Don't forget to go watch Lisa's video next. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.